These are a couple of Trane XB13s at another vacant house in my neighborhood. The people that used to live here moved out just yesterday, so I'd like to get a video of these units before the new neighbors come in. It's got the Climate Tough reciprocating compressor, and this is manufactured in January of 2007. And it is a 2.5 ton. And this one right here, let's see. Oh, it's got the Climate Tough scroll. It's got the Climate Tough scroll compressor. It's manufactured in August of 2006. And it is a 5 ton. Oh, well, there you go then. Isn't that neat? Not sure if these are heat pumps or straight cools. Reversing valve. Pretty sure these are straight cool units. Reversing valve will be right behind here or something. Yeah, these are probably straight cool units. And this is a Mitsubishi Electric ductless mini split heat pump. 1.5 ton. This one's pretty quiet. And then there's like another unit behind this pool house thing, whatever it is. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, there it is. I think it's a Nirvana. I think this is a Nirvana. Or is it? No. Oh, it's a Heatwave Super Quiet. Never heard of that. R410A refrigerant. See if I can find a data sheet on this thing. Let's see if I can. It is. I'm not really sure what. Oh, well. It says, if I'm reading the model number correctly, it says 56,000 BTUs. That'd be like a 4.5 ton? Oh. Wait. Like a 4.75 ton? Not totally sure. Don't know what year it is. This one's a heat pump. There's the reversing valve. Okay. And it has, not really sure what kind of compressor that is. Yeah, if you know what kind of compressor one of these uses, please do not hesitate to leave a comment. It's got all these button control things. Let's see. I'm not really gonna mess with that. Here's this little. See if I can find a Oh, here we go. Manufactured in 2011. Here. Serial number is so far from the model number, so I have a hard time finding that. Pretty big. That's actually a pretty big disconnect box for one unit. Well, actually, there's all that generator stuff right there. Doesn't look like this thing has run in a while. One way to tell if it was running recently. Oh wait, there's no suction line. I don't think this thing operates just like a regular air conditioner. It's probably something to do with the pool or something. Not totally sure. Yeah. It's like I don't think it operates like a regular house air conditioner or heat pump. But at least I got what I need to find out about this unit, except for the type of compressor it has. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.